Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Startline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The van also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Ravenna blue and becomes the ideal van for a camper conversion. The vehicle features some chrome striping across the front of the radiator grille. Down below, the van sits on 16-inch steel wheels, as well as coming with a full wheel trim cover set along with a full-size steel spare wheel. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we can see the van comes with a tailgate with a heated rear window. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, which is useful when parking and manoeuvring. Behind the tailgate is a very spacious load area thanks to the long wheelbase format of the vehicle. The load area is in a factory fresh condition and features multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There is a full steel black bulkhead as well as a step on the side, allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the cab itself, we'll find two singular seats with two armrests. The seats are finished in the double grade woven fabric upholstery, and there is plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van does come with climatic air conditioning, which is useful for those warmer months. Further down to the left we'll find a 12-volt as well as two USB-C outlets, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. And of course the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which provides a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.